Thank you for joining me for AmazonSellersLawyer.com inside information. Private label sellers are receiving more IP complaints than we've seen in several months. It doesn't make any sense. You own the brand, you developed the product, it's your label, yet you are receiving IP complaints. If you receive an IP complaint against your own brand, you need to take it as seriously as you would if it actually had some merit. So make sure you identify your source, show Amazon it's your brand. If you don't have a trademark yet, check out the Amazon IP Accelerator program so you get brand registry. It protects you against everyone except Amazon and Amazon vendors. Brand protection. Once you are doing well, once you have success, you need to monitor your listings and you need to get rid of hijackers. The way you do that legitimately, and I'm not talking like Voorhees nonsense claims against sellers. The way you do it legitimately is by adding something to your product that another seller cannot deliver. Take your product outside of the first sale doctrine. Now, let's say you don't know what the first sale doctrine is. Right here on our YouTube channel, go and search in our channel, First Sale Doctrine. We see hacked accounts about once every 18 months or so. There'll be 6, 12, 18 sellers whose accounts have been hacked. Usually someone breaks into your account, changes your banking information, has your money sent to like Croatia or Costa Rica or someplace other than your bank. You change it back and it happens over and over and over again. Then Amazon freezes the account. One, if you've lost money, we have had 100% success in getting hacked accounts back. And number two, this is the time you need to not only call Amazon, and I know how frustrating that is, but you have to back up everything with an email to Amazon. And if you need help, contact us. We always give sellers free consultations. And again, on our YouTube channel, on our website, literally dozens and dozens of articles and videos specifically on hacked accounts. AmazonSellersLawyer.com is the largest depository in the world, in the entire world, for free information for Amazon sellers. So check out our website, check out our playlist.